Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Rbc Bank to Indian bank account. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the simple steps on how to send money from Rbc Bank to Indian bank account. So the first thing to do is to access the Rbc online banking or the Rbc mobile app. Then sign into your Rbc online banking account or open the RCB mobile app. Just launch it on your mobile device. Then from there, in the online banking, on the right side of the account summary page, under the transfer and payment, select international money transfer. Then in the mobile app, then tap move money in the navigation bar, then select international money transfer. Then from there, you have to provide the recipient full names, address, and the bank account number. Then enter the destination bank's name, location, and the SWIFT or the BIS code. Then once that is done, then you have to enter the amount you wish to send. Then choose the choose the currency for the recipient, which is typically Indian rupees. Then from there, review and confirm. Carefully review all details to ensure accuracy and confirm. Then submit the transfer, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more.